Hello, my name is Audrey Vega, and this video I will be taking you through Packet Tracer 9.2.1.11, configuring named standard ACLs, and this will be for my CIS Networking 2 class. And so, let us begin. All right. This particular packet tracer activity, instead of a basic background of what we're trying to do, since in previous videos I sort of explained what an ACL is and what it does, and so this is just sort of a you know what to do and gives you a scenario. And the scenario for this activity is the senior network administrator has tasked you to create a standard named ACL to prevent access to a file server. All clients from one network and one specific workstation from a different network should be denied access. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to configure and apply a named standard ACL. And as of right now, everything is wide open. Every single PC should be able to ping either both, well, they should be able to ping both the web server and the file server. So let's just test that connectivity really quickly. And with packet tracers, of course, your very first ping will always fail. So, oh wait, that one, I stand corrected. Okay. There you go. PC 0, 1, and 2 all are able to ping the file server. Now let's try the web server. Okay, failed. We'll try again. Great, success. All right, if you look down here, all 3 pings were successful to the web server. So we have full connectivity between our devices as of right now. So now what we want to do is we want to configure the named ACL on router 1. So we'll go into that. Just let me adjust my screen a little. Okay. And to set up an access list on a router, we just have to enable, go into our global configuration mode, and now we want to issue the IP access list, standard, and file, server, restrictions. One thing I should mention, when you're creating a named standard ACL, when you're creating the name, the router will not recognize the name if there are any spaces, and it is case sensitive. So that's just something to remember. So now we're in the ACL configuration mode, and we want to permit host 192.168.20.4. And then we want to deny any. Okay? And in order for this ACL to go into effect, we need to apply it to an interface in order for it to start working. So we need to apply the ACL outbound on the interface Fast Ethernet 1, which is, let's see, not that one. Okay, so it'll be this interface right here. Okay. So now we want to get out of there, get back into our global, and we want to get into interface F0/1. Okay. And we want to IP access group. File server restrictions out. Okay, we want to save that configuration, so we're just going to apply the do copy run start. Okay. Okay. Now, what we want to do is, now that we have created that ACL and we have applied it to an interface, we want to verify the ACL implementation. And to verify that, we we will use the command back in the router again, sorry, conft, and we want, oops, nope, I don't want that. Wrong command. I want to be not in global configuration. I want to issue the show access lists. And if you see right there, it shows that our access list, the host that we've permitted, and it says to deny all other traffic. Now from here, we're going to issue the show run just to show us another way of seeing if our configuration is correct. If you look through here, right here, there's our ACL. Okay. Now that we have verified that our configuration is configured on our router, what we want to do is that to check and see if our ACL is working properly. So in order to do that, we should be able to ping the web server, but only PC1 should be able to ping the file server. So let's give that a try. Let's see. All three workstations should be able to ping the web server. So let's try. Successful. Okay. Now if you notice down here, it tells us that each ping was successful. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to ping each PC to the file server. And the way we configured our ACL is that only PC1 should be able to successfully ping the file server. If you look here, we have done that. Great. So now we have verified that our ACL is working properly. So with most packet tracers, they come with a completion. So look, we got 100 out of 100. Checking our results. And yep, we successfully configured a named standard ACL. All right, that's all for this video. Thank you so much. See you next time.